How to make $2,000 per month from selling used socks. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Selling used socks for money? Seriously? Well, buckle up because, yes, it's a real thing. And people are pulling in $2,000 a month or more just from their old, smelly socks.
Really? Really?
So if you've ever thought about making some easy cash, but you weren't sure where to start, today's your lucky day. My name is Olu, and in this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your dirty laundry into real dollars. Whether it's socks that have seen one or too many gym workouts or your favorite pair of ankle socks, yes, even those, they all have a buyer out there just waiting for you. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start selling used socks, where to sell them, and some pro tips to make sure you're making serious sock money. Ready to get started? Let's dive into this strange but lucrative world. All right, so the first question you probably have is, how do I even get started with something like this? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. 1. Know your market. Believe it or not, there's a huge demand for used socks, whether it's collectors, people with sock fetishes, or just folks looking for unique items. There's someone out there who wants what you're selling. 2. Know what socks to sell. Gym socks, ankle socks, even fishnet tights. There's a market for it all. The dirtier, sweatier, or more lived in the socks are, the better. Yep, you read that right. People are willing to pay more for socks that have been well loved. 3. Set your boundaries. Before jumping in, think about what you're comfortable with. Some buyers may ask for custom requests like how long you've worn the socks or where you wore them. It's up to you to decide what's within your comfort zone. 4. Make sure you take good photos. Just like with any online marketplace, good pictures are key. Make sure you've got clear, well-lit images that show off those socks in all their glory. Remember, presentation matters, even when selling dirty socks. So snap those pics, create a few listings, and get ready to make some sock money. Let's look at the best platforms to sell used socks. Now, where do you actually sell these socks? There are a ton of platforms out there, and I'm about to share the top ones so you can get started as soon as possible. 1. Sniffer.com. This site is the place for selling used socks. You can list your items, set your price, and buyers flock to it looking specifically for socks. 2. Locanto and Craigslist. Both of these sites are free to use, and you can create sock listings in your local area. Just remember, if you're doing local sales. 3. eBand. This one's known for more mature, adult-oriented sales, and socks are no exception. It's an open marketplace, so feel free to list your special items here. 4. All Things Worn. This platform is a haven for used clothing buyers, and socks are a hot commodity here. Set up your profile, post a few listings, and start selling. 5. Pant Deal, another platform focused on selling used clothing, including socks. It's easy to use and you get direct access to buyers interested in your worn items. 6. OnlyFans and Loyal Fans. Already have a fan base? These platforms allow you to sell directly to your followers. If you're already creating content, socks are just another way to engage your audience and earn extra cash. So, whether you're looking for a niche platform or something more mainstream, these are all great places to start selling your socks. Choose the one that fits you best and get those listings up. Social media platforms for selling socks. Do you want to get creative with your sales? Social media can be a goldmine for selling used socks. You've probably got a following already, so why not turn them into buyers? 1. Instagram. Post pictures of your socks for sale, and don't forget to use hashtags like #usedsocks4sale. You can also promote through Instagram stories. Just be sure to keep things professional as selling used socks can get. 2. Twitter. Tweet out your listings, and again, use relevant hashtags like #fetishmarket or #socks4sale to get the right eyes on your posts. 3. Reddit. Subreddits like our used socks are perfect for listing your items. Just be sure to follow the rules of each subreddit to avoid getting banned. Reddit's a stickler for the rules. 4. Facebook groups. There are Facebook groups dedicated to used socks and clothing. Post your listings, interact with the group, and start making sales. Social media is free advertising, so don't sleep on it. Get those socks out there and let the buyers come to you. Types of socks that sell. Not all socks are created equal, and some types sell faster than others. Here are the top socks that can make you money. 1. Sweaty gym socks. These are a huge hit with buyers. The more sweat, the better. 2. Ankle socks, foot liners, and knee highs. Simple, but they sell well due to their popularity. 3. Fishnet tights and leg warmers. Don't limit yourself to just socks. Anything you wear on your feet or legs has a market. So if you got any of these lying around, list them. You might be surprised at how fast they sell. Pro tips for maximizing your sock sales. Now that you know where to sell and what to sell, let's talk about some pro tips to make sure you're getting the most out of your used sock side hustle. 1. Be responsive and polite. Treat this like a real business. Respond quickly to buyers, be polite, and answer their questions. 2. Offer bundles or custom orders. Some buyers may want multiple pairs or specific requests, like socks worn during certain activities. Cater to these requests and you'll see your sales grow. 3. Post consistently. The more active you are, the more visible your listings will be. Keep updating your posts or add new listings every week. 4. Use great keywords. In your listings, use keywords like sweaty, worn, and used to attract the right buyers. People are searching for these terms, so make sure your socks pop up in there. Engage with your audience. Especially on platforms like OnlyFans or social media, the more you interact, the more likely you are to build loyal buyers. It's all about keeping things fresh, both your listings and your socks. Stay active and you'll see those sales keep rolling in. And that's it, folks. You now know exactly how to make up to $2,000 a month selling something as simple as your used socks. Your next big break could be just one sock away. It's easy, it's legit, and there's a whole world of buyers just waiting for what you've got lying around in your sock drawer. And hey, if this video inspired you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to boost your income.